In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively advertise a job on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. Indeed is one of the largest job posting boards out there, and it can be a game changer for your hiring process. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger organization, knowing how to utilize Indeed can help you reach a wider pool of potential candidates. First things first, you'll need to create an employer account. To get started, head over to Indeed.com and click on the Employers Post Job button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. You'll be prompted to either sign in if you already have an account or create a new one if you're just starting out. If you're creating a new account, you'll need to fill in some basic information about your company. This includes your company name, details about your location, and any other relevant information. Once that's complete, go ahead and verify your email address, and you'll be ready to move on. Now that you have your account set up, it's time to write your job description. When you're on your dashboard, click on Post a Job. This is where you'll fill in all the necessary details about the position you're advertising. Make sure to be clear and concise. Start with the job title, which should reflect the role accurately. This is really important because a well-crafted title can grab the attention of the right candidates. Next, in the job description section, outline the main responsibilities and any day-to-day tasks that the candidate would be expected to handle. Be clear about the skills and qualifications required as well. If you're looking for someone with specific experience or educational background, make sure to highlight that. Remember, the more specific you are, the better chances you have of attracting the right candidates. Don't forget to include details about your company culture and what makes working for you unique. Candidates are not just looking for a job, they're looking for the right fit. By sharing a bit about your company values and team environment, you're more likely to attract individuals who resonate with your brand. After you've got your job details squared away, it's time to set the location and salary, small if applicable. Transparency here can be a huge attraction point for potential applicants. If it's a remote position, ensure to highlight that as well, as remote work is increasingly important to many job seekers. Now, you'll also have the option to add screening questions. This is a great way to filter applicants up front, making the hiring process easier for you later on. Consider including questions that focus on essential skills or experiences related to the job. Once everything looks good, you can proceed to the next step, where you can choose how you want to post your job. Indeed offers options for free job postings, but you can also pay for sponsored job ads, which will give you increased visibility in search results. You'll want to consider your budget and how urgently you need to fill the position when making this decision. Finally, after you review all the details, click on the Post Job button. Congratulations, you've successfully advertised a job on Indeed. Remember to monitor the application responses, respond to candidates promptly, and keep refining your job ads as needed based on the feedback you receive. So there you have it. Now you know how to navigate Indeed and post a job advertisement effectively. Happy hiring, and I hope to see you